AI can now build full app, fix your bugs, and even explain your entire project better than most of the human developers. But here is the real question. Which AI tool should you use actually? Cursor, ChatGPT, Cloud Code, Gemini, Copilot, Windsurf. There is a lot of option right now. Most people choose the wrong option. So today I'll show you exactly which tool fits your skill level even if you are a complete beginner. So today we are comparing the six most popular AI coding assistant, and those are ChatGPT Code Assistant, Cursor ID, Cloud Code, Gemini Code Assist, GitHub Copilot, and Windsurf AI ID. So let's break each one down in simple language. ChatGPT is the easiest AI tool for beginners. Just type 41 and it will explain everything clearly. You can use ChatGPT to write some simple code for you, and if you do not understand something, just tell ChatGPT to explain and it will explain like a teacher. And ChatGPT right now understand almost all the languages. But ChatGPT is not good for large project and it cannot actually write code for you in file by file. But it's good for beginner or students who want to learn coding from scratch. Now let's talk about Cursor. Cursor is the ultimate tool for actual software developer. Think of it as VS Code but with a super smart AI built in. It can write, edit, and refactor your entire files. It understands your project. It has very fast response and it's good for building real apps. But if you want to use Cursor, you should have some basic file structure understanding. So it's best for intermediate user, senior developer, and people who want to build full projects. Now, Cloud Code. Cloud Code is known for being accurate and really good at understanding large amount of code. It can read huge files without making any mistake and it can give you proper explanation of your full project. It can write very clean code for you and it is really good at debugging. It means you will see less error if you use Cloud Code. And it is best for developers who work on big code bases or complex logic. If you have a project that is super complex, then I recommend you to use Cloud Code. Google Gemini Code Assist is powerful for cloud related work. Now Gemini understands the cloud architecture really well and it is really good at searching documentation. It can help you with Firebase rules, cloud functions, and authentication systems. It is strong with Python and JavaScript. If you are building backend plus content plus cloud app, Gemini guides you through the complex workflows. But it has some limitation, and the limitation are it's not all-round coding assistant, and it works best if you are inside Google's ecosystem. But it's best for cloud developers and anyone using Firebase or Google Cloud. Now let's talk about Copilot. GitHub Copilot is the OG of AI coding tools. It sits right inside your editor and suggests code as you type. Its suggestions are really fast and it's perfect for writing repetitive code and feels natural for developer. But it has some cons. GitHub Copilot is not good at explaining your code base. It's not good for planning big project and it has limited chat features. If you are a developer who already knows how to code and what you are doing, then you should go with GitHub Copilot. Otherwise, in this era of AI, GitHub Copilot is not as good as other tools. Now let's talk about Windsurf AI. Windsurf AI is another AI powered ID. It is very fast, good for step-by-step coding, and it can handle multiple file changes at a single time. Windsurf AI is actually really good for front end. If you don't want to use Cursor, you can obviously go for Windsurf AI. So here you can see I have a chart over here. ChatGPT is for beginners. If you want to learn, it is really easy to use. And if you want to build a full project, go with Cursor. If you want to build a complex project or if you are dealing with large code bases, then go with Cloud Code. Then Gemini is good, but if you are using cloud-based development, then go with Gemini. And Copilot is basically good for fast suggestion. So at this point of AI, Copilot is not as good compared to other tools. And Windsurf AI can be a alternative for Cursor. But though all of those tools are quite easy to use. Now you know exactly which tool matches your skill level and your goals. Remember, AI on replace developer, but the developer who use AI will replace the one who don't. If you found this video helpful, then hit like, subscribe and comment which AI tool you want to use. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.